This is such an easy weeknight chicken dinner that you can have ready in 30 minutes. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making some crispy and delicious oven-baked Doritos chicken. Stay tuned. Okay, I have a confession to make. A guilty pleasure of mine are Doritos. I usually go for the nacho cheese, but I really enjoy all the flavors. Tonight I'm combining two of my favorites, chicken and Doritos. So let's get started. I'm starting with my seasoned flour. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, you can just use your favorite, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, giving that a good mix. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for the Doritos chicken below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. I have 1 large boneless chicken breast that I cut into 2. You want the pieces to be similar thickness so they cook evenly. If you want, you can pound the chicken to the same thickness. I'm dredging the chicken in my seasoned flour, coating thoroughly, and shaking off any excess. Next, I'm dredging the chicken in an egg wash, which is 2 to 3 eggs and about 1/4 cup of milk that I whisked really well. And finally, I have a cup of crushed Doritos. You can crush these as fine as you like, getting the pieces coated well, and then placing on a parchment-lined baking sheet. These are going into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The internal temp should be 165 to 175 degrees. This meal is so quick and easy. The Doritos chicken is done and smelling good. Serving tonight with corn and Brussels sprouts. Of course, if you're a Doritos fan, you're going to love this chicken recipe. I get all the flavor and crunch of the Doritos with one of my favorite proteins, chicken. I hope you give this crispy, crunchy Doritos chicken recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!